In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove saved password in Google Chrome. This is a quick but important way to protect your privacy, especially if you share a computer or you're switching accounts. I'll walk you through exactly where to click, and I'll add helpful context so you know what each screen means. Start by opening Google Chrome. Look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots, also known as the More menu. This opens the main menu where Chrome keeps its controls and tools. If you don't see it, make sure you're actually in Chrome and not another browser. From the menu, choose Settings. This will open a new tab with all your browser preferences. Settings is where Chrome stores everything related to your account, privacy, and customization, so it's the right place to manage saved passwords. In the settings page, select autofill and passwords. Depending on your version, it may appear in the left sidebar or as a section on the main page. This area controls things like saved addresses, payment methods, and most importantly for us, your passwords. It's designed to keep your sign-ins convenient, but it's also where you remove entries you no longer want stored. Next, click Google Password Manager. This is the central hub where Chrome stores saved logins tied to your Google account. If you're signed in and syncing, the passwords you remove here will be deleted across your devices that use the same account. If you're not syncing, you'll still see and manage the passwords saved locally in this browser. You'll now see a list of websites and usernames. Click the specific account you want to delete. Use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of entries. Searching by website name makes this much faster. Double-check the username or email shown so you remove the correct login. If you're unsure, you can review the details on this screen before proceeding. Finally, click Delete. Chrome may ask you to confirm. Once you confirm, the saved password is removed from your password manager, and if sync is on, it's removed from other signed-in devices as well. Keep in mind that deletion can't be undone. If you think you might need the login later, consider exporting your passwords first from the password manager's settings before removing anything. That's it. You've successfully removed a saved password in Google Chrome. Repeat the process for any other entries you no longer need. This simple cleanup helps keep your account secure and your browser organized.